What does it take to be a successful entrepreneur? Well, to make any business a success, you need customers. But how do you find them? How do you find customers, make sales, and achieve the success you've always dreamed of? When we think about essential tools that every successful entrepreneur needs, the first one that comes to mind is a dynamic website. A website acts as your online storefront, showcasing your offerings to a vast audience. With an eye-catching design, compelling content, and easy navigation, your website becomes a powerful tool to attract and engage potential customers. Imagine having a 24/7 online presence that captivates visitors and drives them to take action. Your website can be a game changer for your business. Let's say you're an aspiring fashion designer and you've launched your own clothing line. With a well-designed website, you can showcase your unique designs, tell your brand story, and provide detailed product descriptions and high-quality images. Potential customers can explore your collections, learn about your craftsmanship, and even make purchases directly from your website. But it doesn't stop there. Your website can also serve as a platform to share your expertise and build credibility in the industry. You can create a blog section where you write insightful articles about fashion trends, style tips, and industry insights. By sharing valuable content, you establish yourself as an authority in the fashion world and attract a loyal following of fashion enthusiasts who see you as a trusted resource. Another effective strategy is leveraging social media. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer tremendous opportunities to connect with your target audience. By creating engaging, targeted content and building a strong online community, you can reach potential customers directly where they spend their time. Social media becomes a dynamic channel for building brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, and ultimately converting leads into sales. Let's say you're a passionate food entrepreneur who has started a gourmet bakery. By showcasing mouth-watering photos of your delectable pastries, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your baking process, and posting engaging videos of your creations, you can captivate the attention of food lovers and ignite their cravings. Social media not only helps you showcase your products, but it also allows you to engage with your audience in real time. Let's say a customer leaves a positive comment on your Facebook page, expressing their love for your bakery's macarons. You respond promptly, expressing gratitude for their kind words and offering them a special discount on their next visit. This personalized interaction not only strengthens the customer's loyalty, but also demonstrates your commitment to exceptional service. Trade shows offer yet another avenue to connect with potential customers. By attending industry-specific trade shows, you can showcase your products or services directly to your target market. These events provide a platform for networking, demonstrating your expertise, and capturing leads. Interacting face-to-face with potential customers allows you to make a lasting impression and build valuable business relationships. Imagine you're an event and wedding planner, specializing in creating unforgettable experiences for couples on their special day. Attending industry-specific trade shows provides you with an excellent opportunity to showcase your expertise and connect directly with your target market. As couples and event enthusiasts walk through the exhibition hall, they're captivated by the ambiance and creativity of your booth. Your friendly and approachable team greets them with a warm smile, initiating conversations and showcasing your personalized approach to event planning. Through your participation in trade shows and face-to-face interactions with potential clients, you not only showcase your talent and expertise, but also establish valuable business relationships. The connections made at the trade show go beyond immediate bookings, as they often result in word-of-mouth referrals. collaborations with industry vendors, and partnerships with other event professionals. Enrolling in Build Your Dream, Start a Business 101 will empower you to leverage these strategies and more. We provide you with the guidance, knowledge, and support you need to launch your business and get in front of the right people. Imagine having the confidence to reach out to individuals in need of your product or service. With our course, you'll learn to be the ambassador of your business, spreading your excitement and connecting with your ideal customers. Join the thousands of successful Ultimate Academy graduates who have transformed their dreams into profitable businesses. Get ready to embark on a journey that will change your life.